flag is this one, the blue one?
Pennsylvania, my birth state. By the way, when Pennsylvania voted for Donald Trump, it was over.
My boy. Alright, so we're gonna be doing a simple team deathmatch. You guys, first him. Alright, where you guys want to fall down? Martin, you got me.
Yes, sir. Hit! Time to kick some serious ass.
Remember, watch the zigzag rule. There's not a goal line yet.
Got it.
That's more than 10 feet. That's a lot more than 10 feet.
Bang! You're out. Bang! Bang bang! I already said bang bang. I called you, but you called me.
Okay, sure.
So I think you're still in. Bang bang!
Buddy, you're dead.
Hey, I said you're hit.
Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh, you're dead. Bang, bang. Good.
Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang, both of you.
You scared me.
Oh, wait. You got me. Bang, 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 bang. That's more than 10 feet, is it? Bang, bang.
You can't do that.
You're out.
Yep. Good job. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. We'll call it double. Good game. The camouflage team versus the hoodie team. Hoodie warriors.
Oh my God. Where did they go? Where did they go? What do you remind me of? Jet versus Fox.
Oh yeah. Bang bang.